Imagine sailing through the water. Just you, the sea, and your yacht that effortlessly slides through the waves as you go further into the unknown. A luxurious feeling of freedom. The interior should complement this luxurious experience. We knew this when we started our company many years ago with nothing more than our craftsmanship and eye for detail. Ever since, we've always dedicated ourselves to creating customized yacht interiors that reflect your wildest dreams. And we still do. We continue to set high standards and pay close attention to detail. After all, that's what separates something exquisite from something good. It's what defines us, motivates us, and brings us great enjoyment in our work. Fingerprint for craftsmanship, a luxurious interior. Eye for detail. Struik Interiors. That's what you'll experience when you step on board. Ready to go where the waves take you.